During the Battle of Monte Cassino, he toted crates of artillery just like the other soldiers. He was also particularly good at scaring people off. During the Battle of Monte Cassino, he toted crates of artillery just like the other soldiers. He was also particularly good at scaring people off.
He toted crates of artillery just like the other soldiers. He was also particularly good at scaring people off. He toted crates. Okay, new vocabulary. Don't worry. Toted crates. Check the glossary. I'll talk about it tomorrow. Of artillery. Crates of grapes. Crates of oranges. Crates of artillery. Just like, we can get rid of the T. S kills the T. Just like the other. Short O. The other soldiers. Soldiers, is there an L? Yeah, very small, but it is there. Soldiers. Soldiers. He was also particularly good at real daily English, good at scaring people off. Here is a phrasal verb to scare somebody off. Scare somebody away, very similar but a little bit different. I'll talk about that tomorrow.